How to add multiple accounts in Pinterest. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add multiple accounts in Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Pinterest. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you've done that, you can simply head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Or you can simply tap on the top left corner, which will take you to your account. After doing that, if you scroll down for a bit, you will see the login section. Right there, you'll find add account option. So tap on add account option, and there you can just add an existing account. So you can create a new personal account as well, or you can connect to an existing account. So tap on connect to an existing account, and now you can just type in the email and then the password. Or you can continue with Google or Apple as well. So I'll just continue with Google. Tap on continue. Choose the account. And after doing that, you will have added another account to your Pinterest. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.